Hey there, this is Abyssia Tarot Readings. I don't know why I wanted to say pink bucket readings. Bucket? Someone's. It reminded me of this lady on internet. Her name is Jessica Puckett. She makes this awesome, collective tarot reads. Has beautiful collection of pick a card reads. Just found her recently. Yeah. I don't know. Something like that could be significant. Yeah, I remember. I actually was very how do I say this? This person was, into Vedic astrology, studied Vedic astrology. I was like, wow. So we have some people who do study Vedic astrology. And also do tarot at the same time, because mostly I've seen tarot readers who do a lot of Western astrology and they don't go into the Eastern Vedic stuff and all that stuff. So I was like, wow, that's quite cool. And Jessica Puckett is one of those tarot readers. So I don't know, something niche could be significant. Somebody could be into something. I'm sorry, by the way, I didn't give you my introduction. This is Abyssia Tarot Channels. I do collective readings in here. Welcome to Abyssia Tarot Readings. And I'm kind of the crazy bitch of this channel. Yeah, but something could be really niche. Yeah, let's start with the reading. Something could be really niche. Something could be somebody or something could be very, very niche or very eccentric or unique in its own way. Or somebody could have an interest into niche things. Something around those things could be significant. Someone could be into wax candle making or something like that. That's what's coming through. I'm also getting being, I don't know why I'm getting the word extra possessive. So extra possessive could be significant. So lately, not lately, I think since this morning, I've been thinking about something, I just remembered that I made a weird ass public post in Threads. I was just thinking, why the fuck did I make that post? I still remember, I found a yellow kiwi for the first time. I was doing holy moly, and I was just making a. I don't know, it was such a fucking funny, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's so cringe, but it was such a weird, funny, funky thing that I did. I was just thinking about it. I was like, what the fuck? Why did I post that in public? And I just went, I woke up 3 a.m. in the morning and I was like, what the fuck? Why did I post that? And I just went back and I deleted everything. So, I don't know. Somebody could be coming back to their senses. But extra possessive could be significant. Oh, yeah. Those are some funny incidents that happened with me this morning. Okay. Let's see what comes out for you guys. I don't know why I'm also getting the word Puritan. Puritan could be significant. So, I don't know. I wait a second. Let me. Yeah. Where was I going with this? I totally forgot. Lost my train of thought. Yeah, I was saying Puritan energies, right? So, I don't know. There is there is a difference between. So, Puritan usually means people trying to put some certain standards on someone to define that person as a pure individual, or to sort of I would say categorize or kind of chastise a person, right? One of the examples of Puritan ideologies is something like you should not do this or there will be sin. You should not eat non-veg or there will be sin. You should only eat veg, or there is something like you can't be in the spiritual work if you are eating non-veg. You can't be into spiritual work if you are doing cards, stuff this, stuff that. So astrology is a sin, this is sin, that is this. So there is a Puritan ideology, even something like indigenous religions are a sin, or all these indigenous religions don't have, or this other religion doesn't has anything good in it because this other religion eats a certain kind of food that is banned in my religion. So there is like a Puritan ideology. Puritan ideology is something like it's like a certain ideal, it's like a certain standard that makes it's like doing something would end up turning a person into a sinner. Not It's like doing something harmless that doesn't hurts anybody. Yeah, doing something harmless that doesn't hurts anybody, and that harmless thing is considered as Puritan. Is considered as a sin. So that's what Puritan ideologies are. Puritan ideologies are basically allowing yourself to think that there is this certain thing, and if you don't do this certain thing, you are sinning, you're doing wrong, you're not doing right. This is an ideology that you find in almost everywhere, even in the scientific fields, right? If you are using AI for your research, you haven't done the work enough. If you're if you're not writing research papers, you are not doing enough. Or it's kind of like if you're not doing the practical experiments, there's something like it's kind of like Puritanism is basically like if you don't do a certain something thing, even if that certain something thing is not necessarily a right or wrong thing, but a neutral thing which doesn't hurt or harms anyone, and it's a new way of doing stuff. Somehow somebody is out there is going to be like, well, that's wrong, that's not right, you are being a wrong person, like it's something like that. So those someone could be having a Puritan ideology. I'm getting the word extra possessive, and as I'm talking about Puritan ideologies and everything else, it's reminding me of AI as well, right? Now I won't say that using AI art is a good thing, because for me, as much as I am aware of this, due to data annotation and all of that stuff, whatever AI is usually creates is basically mix of what everybody else creates, right? It's kind of like if you have ever watched Jujutsu Kaisen, the anime, you know that there is this character called Mahito. So Mahito is going to take the limbs and legs of other people, and he's going to make a giant monster out of other people's bodies, right? So that's the kind of thing that I'm kind of getting in here, like somebody. But in actual reality, this is causing harm to the people. But like in case of AI art actually causes harm. Like it's basically pulling off the limbs of somebody's hard work and disfiguring that and turning into a monster for it. So that's like it's causing harm to other people, because you're literally pulling out the hard work of someone else's work. AI being used in computation, AI being used in like trying to see what are the different logical approaches with which you can go with something, that is sort of understandable, because that's why we needed computers. We needed computers to compute different pathways that we can take when it comes to logical decision makings and all that stuff. So what are the different pathways? Can a computer show you those different pathways? So there is something like that in here. I'm not talking about, yes, computing logic in a sense of that, okay? So there is something like something could have a very Puritan kind of aspect about it, where it is like computing logic in the sense, computing different pathway, like, and someone could be like, well, why are you using AI for your logical decisions? Why are you using AI for sort of seeing, for example, as a human being, we don't usually remember all the logical pathways we can take, but AI, if you give it certain circumstances or certain prompt, it can actually give you 10 different logical pathways with which this prompt can be achieved, right? That's why we build computers, so that it can perform super high calculations, and so that it can take a decision on its own by using the logic, right? By using the logical, by seeing the most logical pathway that is in front of it, or by presenting human beings further more logical pathways that lies in front of them. So something is like, somebody is like very puritanist in the say, or I'm getting very saintly, they act really saintly on the outside. I don't usually believe that anybody out there can be saint. There's a beautiful quote in saying, that a saint has always had a past, and a robber will always have a future. Like, if you are doing something bad today, you will always have a future. If you are a saint today, you always had a past. No one out there is a pure holy saint kind of thingy right there. So something like a very puritanist ideologies are coming through. Like, I don't know why I'm getting sex scandal all of a sudden. So there could be something like, somebody could be, I don't know, I don't think something is a scandal, but let's see about it. Because I'm getting Puritan ideologies, I'm getting extra possessive, I'm getting the word sex scandal. So I'm kind of getting like, maybe somebody is being chastised, or somebody, it's not chastised, somebody is being body shamed or SLUT shamed for being whoever they are. And there's sort of a Puritan ideology about it. Like, it's kind of like, for example, someone out there is dating before marriage, right? Puritan ideology would tell you that that kind of person should be shamed, or that kind of person is a shameless human being. But when you look at it in a very practical sense, there is no harm in actually dating before marriage. So there is something like that in here. Somebody could have a sex scandal. That's not really a sex scandal, but it kind of becomes a, you know what, I'm not gonna call it a scandal, I'm gonna call it a candle. But yeah, something could be something could be in regards to that. And it isn't really, yeah, I'm also getting like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse came out. So maybe somebody's losing their money over this. They're losing their money, their resources, their assets over this. Maybe this is somebody, yeah, now I'm getting Puritan ideology. So somebody, now I'm getting this idea in my mind. You know how in ancient temples, whether it is the Greek temples, whether it is the Indian temples, whatever it is, right? There would always be like these dancers, or these high priestess, or all of these women figures who will be called to serve God. And in the name of serving God, they will be exploited by the men of the village, because they will be the wife of the entire town and something like that. So mostly these women were the reasons why temples will get more donations, or I'm talking about, like, it's a ancient phenomenon that happens in all the temples of the world. Okay, it's not just India, it happened in Greece, there are the Roman temples, all of these, it happens in all of these temples in the ancient times, where women were used to like as a like to sort of like pleasure men. And then whatever gifts that men would shower on these women will go in the name of the temple, or it will go in the name of the institution that is having these high priestesses, or which has bought these slaves as the high priestess, or which has bought these slaves as the dancers or the apsaras in their temples, right? Or whatever it is. So there is something significant like that coming through in here. Yeah, it could also be anything, anything. It can also be something like being somebody's wife, and some religious custom telling the wife to like sleep with 10 people. I don't know. No idea. Don't ask me. I'm getting creative with shit. Anyways, what the fuck were we going on? Yeah, something could be created by somebody, but it couldn't be that person's property. Like they are the reason, they are the sole reasons that the donation is coming in this site. They are the sole reason that this person is getting the money. They are the sole reason that this institution or this money making powerhouse is getting the money that they are getting. And I feel like this Queen of Pentacles in reverse is not getting the money for it. It very much reminds me of the modern day, celebrity system where the labels will hog up all the money that this usually hog up all the money. I don't know why it also reminds me of Britney Spears a little bit, but I don't know what happened in her case. Her case could be very like extremes of it, I guess. But mostly the celebrities are like always the ones who are bringing in the money, or they are the reasons why the money and the resources are being created, because they are the ones who are coming up with creative ways to entertain the audience, right? And the money is getting hogged up by the labels. Now this can also be about a certain job, corporate, wherever you work in, right? Like somebody could be making in the money, someone is the sole reason that the money is coming in the household, but that person herself or himself isn't owning it. Okay, damn man, I'm getting thirsty. Yeah. Somebody's not able to see any other way out though. There is something like that in here. Like they are not. There is something like there's some sort of confusion. Maybe they're stuck in this routine. They're stuck in these values where they think that. There's something like they're stuck in the value where they think that whatever work they do, it's bringing money, so they are a valuable person. When in reality, yes, it is bringing money, but it is not bringing money in your name, it is bringing money in someone else's name. So be sure or do know who the fuck you're working for, where you're working. Is the money going in your hand or is the money going in someone else's hand? What the fuck is the money? Where the heck is the money going in? Because it just seems like somebody, maybe they have devalued themselves or they have overvalued themselves than they actually are valued. There is something like they do not understand that things are not as, there's something like things are, I want to say things are not as smooth sailing as it seems. I feel like the waters are murky. Yeah, the Three of Cups upright. This could be some sort of shared money, shared resource with friends. Seven of Pentacles in the back of the deck, Three of Cups upright. So this money would be a shared resource, something that is shared among friend. I'm also getting like this person doesn't really realizes how much money they owe to other people, or there is something like they don't realize how much money they other people owe to them. There is something like they overvalue themselves based on how much value they bring into the house. For example, suppose it's a courtesan house, okay, I'm talking about like ancient times right now. You can take it in whatever way it resonates, but if it is a corporate, for example, suppose you are bringing all that value into the company, your boss is really happy with you, but it's kind of like, yeah, but all of that money is going in the company name. Did you ask for a promotion? Did you ask for your own share? Like someone doesn't knows how much they actually deserve, and they are going out there and celebrating. Yeah, I don't know, there is some sort of celebration energy in here, but also there's something like maybe they are planning to invest into things with other people. Yeah, they are. Yeah, there's something like that in here. They might be planning into investing things with other people. Maybe they saw the, I don't know, maybe they see through the bullshit and now they want to like plan on to, there's something disgusting in here. And I said that as I saw the Hierophant in the back of the deck. So something like somebody's Puritan ideologies could be very significantly impacting someone's how much wealth someone can bring into the household, because somehow I don't know, there's something like if they don't reduce themselves down to the value that this Hierophant is telling them to reduce them down to, this person will be considered as too bold to bring the money, or like, hey, you're a woman, why the heck are you bringing that much money? Do you think that much about yourself? And this person has to constantly put themselves down again and again. So there's something like maybe somebody is planning on to like create money or create resources. The Emperor upright, the Lovers in reverse. So problem, yeah, kind of like, I feel like somebody is friends with an emperor, or they are friends with somebody in an authority, and they are discussing, or maybe they are planning on to like open a investment or a joint investment or something like that is coming out in here. Though the Lovers is in reverse, which kind of makes me feel like there is something something is not seen properly. Maybe, I don't know, maybe if it is the clauses of the contract, yeah, maybe if it is the clauses of the contract or something like that, somebody is not reading or proofreading stuff. Maybe now that I'm seeing how many cards are in the table, we have the Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Cups upright, and the Emperor upright, right? So I feel like there is an energy where maybe an emperor doesn't knows that this Queen of Pentacles right here can't bring in the kind of money to this investment the way they thought that she could bring. Or maybe somebody is not competent enough to produce that much money, or they don't have that I don't know, there is something like they overvalue themselves, or they kind of make themselves look as if they have that much value to themselves, when in reality they don't really have that kind of value. And they kind of like, yeah, it's almost like this person says that they can bring that much value. This is a repeated shit that has been repeating in my readings again and again. I don't know. Wait, hey, don't fall down. Don't you fall down. Don't you fall down, honey. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, what was I saying? Something. Yeah, this is something that I've been getting in my previous readings as well. Like for a long time, like somebody acts like they overvalue themselves, or they devalue themselves. I don't know what it is. Or they don't get enough money. So I don't know. There is something like the contract isn't right, or I don't know who is. Yeah, there's something like a fight can. Now I'm getting fights can break out. I'm seeing Chariot trying to pop out, and then we have the Nine of Cups in here. So somebody may not feel willing enough to ask for a promotion because they are scared that a fight will break out between them and the Emperor, them and their boss. Even if that promotion is well deserved promotion, they deserve it. And even if maybe someone could want a car or a scooty, I don't know, I'm getting the Chariot, so I'm getting like someone could want a car or a scooty. But yeah, I'm also getting Moon in reverse, right? So something is murky in here, something is not, like someone is not able to see something properly, or they're not able to say something properly. I don't know what it is. There's some sort of fake contract, or there's some sort of I don't know why I'm getting bulge in here. Bulging could be significant, which is, I don't know why it reminds there's something wrong in here. I don't know what it is. But yeah, they are refusing to speak about something that could help them move forward, despite the fact that this promotion or whatever this is could be something that they very much well deserve it. Yeah, King of Swords upright, and it landed between the Three of Cups and the Emperor. It landed over the Emperor, so I'll feel like Maybe something is being communicated to this emperor. Whatever this communication is, yeah, I think okay, something is being communicated to this emperor with the King of Swords upright. So like there is this could be an advisor, this could be somebody who is deciding, or they are communicating the most logical decision that this emperor should take. But with the Ace of Wands in reverse and the Moon in reverse and the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, again there is something very murky about it. Like there is an opportunity that is disappearing, or there is an opportunity that is about to disappear, that might leave somebody in their shells. So something like that is being communicated right now, as of now. Yeah, the Knight of Swords in reverse, because the conclusion has been drawn based on assumptions, or a very like there's something like something is being rushed over. That's what I'm getting. Like something has not yet shown its proper result yet, or there is something like somebody is rushing over the results, or something is being rushed over. And something gives me that whatever this is, I don't know why I'm also getting Andolan. Andolan could be significant. Campaigns could be significant. Talking to jury, jurisdiction, I don't know why I'm getting legitimate. I'm getting something like regarding legal shit, alright. Yeah, something legal could be significant. Yeah, maybe this is what I feel like. The Ace of Wands in reverse and the Moon in reverse, something is disappearing, or somebody was trying to yeah, I'm getting murky. Somebody was trying to make things murky, or they were trying to blur out an entire campaign, or they were trying to like censor this stuff. Yeah, this could be in regards to somebody gaining their independence, or somebody gaining their money, or somebody getting their food, like livelihood. Yeah, and there is, with the Knight of Swords in here, there's a feeling that this decision is being rushed over. That for sure is coming out, that yes, this decision is being rushed over. What else can we see? Ooh. All right, I'll just take the back card. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Now I'm being told to take the front card as well. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. The Eight of Swords is again in the back of the deck. Yeah, man. Something is not in favor of the person who could be dominating the charts. I don't know. If this was some sort of harassment, that you would have suffered in the workplace, I don't know, maybe you're getting justice for it, and I need to see. Yeah, I'm getting the Nine of Wands in reverse, and again I'm seeing the Knight of Swords in reverse. So like something is in the favor of the person who dominated you in the workplace, or who kind of, I'm also getting they taught you a lesson. I don't know, but the Knight of Swords is in my hand, so I'm thinking that this is most definitely not a lesson, but more like an argument that was won in a fight, because I'm seeing the Five of Wands right now. The argument is in the favor of the person who dominates you, or who kind of, I don't know. So Pentacles in reverse gives me somebody who dominates the workplace, or someone who is, I don't know why I'm getting the Charkarta, or the person who works in this office. I don't know what it is, but I feel like there is some sort of unfair advantage that is being given to someone else in the work, because, and in yeah, there is some sort of unfair advantage that is being given to someone else in the work, because that's a decision that someone took, though it is coming out that this decision was something that they took based on, like, in a hurry, or yeah, there is something like the Judgment card is here. So like, but in the back of my mind, I'm getting lack of judgment. So I don't know what that is. I'm kind of getting that it's a right decision. It's a right decision that is taken, but there is something like with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Three of Pentacles upright. This is not in favor of the person that wasn't asking for a promotion, or was overvaluing themselves, or was devaluing themselves. I don't know. There was also something like this person could have been frolicking around and having fun with people when they themselves did not have the kind of time. Like, they had to use that time to build their wealth rather than using that time to play around. So something like that could be significant. Yeah. Building things at their own time could be significant. Yeah. I don't know, they could be really slow for whatever this is, and it's not working out in the workplace where they are working. Like, this person is too slow for their workplace. So with the Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the Eight of Swords in here again, I feel like either someone is being kept in a confusion where they think that they are the boss, or there is some sort of confusion that this person could be going through. Like, I don't know, this could be in regards to some sort of friends and family situation where this person might be like a friend and family member to this Emperor, but or maybe their friends and family agree that this person should be in a good position, then they should be the Emperor. But there is something like they know that but there is something like to get into the Emperor position, they need to put up a fight, which they are not ready to put up, and that's why I feel like the winner is the King of Swords in here, because they spoke up when it was time for them to speak up. They took the decision when it was time for them to take the decision. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Three of Pentacles in reverse, kind of like, yeah, they lost. Yeah, that's why I don't know, something like that's why this person lost favor. They lost favor. They lost some sort of, I don't know. I'm getting crickets. So like this person might go to their workplace and all they could ever hear is crickets. Like, they wouldn't hear anything because they are being subsequently washed out of the conversation. Something like that could be significant in here. Very confusing message, man. What advice do we have for this person? Or can I get a little bit more in here? What is this? Yeah, somebody did not use their intuition, or they did not listen to themselves. They did not listen to the advice of an emperor, or they did not listen to the advice of I don't know, maybe they heard the advice, but they heard the advice of the wrong people. Yeah, they may have took the advice of the wrong people. Wow. If you are this Queen of Pentacles in reverse, I don't know, beware, you might have taken advice from the wrong person or from the wrong people in some way. There was something that this person, I don't know, there's something like they knew there is something like this person wouldn't, yeah, there is some sort of secret that is being kept from this person. Yeah, there's some sort of secret that is being kept from these family members, this emperor. That secret is the reason why everybody is assuming something very soon about, like they are assuming something and jumping to conclusions about this person. What is the secret? Like, or there is not a secret. This seems more like a secret that is getting out of hand, or it's not a secret anymore. And maybe this person is being vindicated because they tried to keep this thing a secret. I don't know what this is. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, this is not a secret anymore. They can't can't provide answers for this kind of behavior. Judgment in reverse. They did something. There's something like they tried to hide something, or this secret killed them on the inside. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. The Judgment in reverse is basically allowing this stingy thing to just poison you slowly. So something like that, isn't it? There is a fight that might break out if this person started telling a secret to an emperor and this community of people, and this person kept this secret within themselves till the secret ended up beating them up. And the Three of Pentacles in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, it's kind of like, I don't know, there was some sort of, they kind of, that is why their reputation in their workplace, or whoever this King of Swords is, I feel like this King of Swords judged this person to be a wrong person or a bad person, or got a very bad reputation around this person. Yeah, can I know what the secret is? I don't know why I'm getting martyrdom. Oh, martyrdom. Someone could be a martyr. Someone could have sacrificed themselves or other people for a cause or something like that. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they prioritize someone for some other person. So there's something like a martyr thing that's going on in here. I don't know, pushing on people under the bus kind of energy could be significant. Again, I'm seeing Ten of Swords in reverse, and I'm seeing the Two of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Swords in reverse, and the Sun card. Someone could have stayed in their comfort zone because they feared that there would be another Ten of Swords, or they would get betrayed again. This is why they tried to protect themselves. But it's like this person was trying to protect themselves, but it's like they protected themselves from the sun energy, from happiness. Like this is like somebody in a survival state. Like they are so scared of like getting out of their comfort zone. They're so scared of like the Two of Wands is here, right? So it's in reverse. They're so scared of getting out of their comfort zone. They're so scared that they will be hurt again, because I saw the Ten of Swords in reverse as well. The Death is upright again when I cut the deck. So yeah, they were so scared. I think maybe this person was scared of death, but the Tower is in reverse, so they kind of like nearly escaped death or something like that. I don't know, something like that. Again, survival mechanism is coming through. You know, I did this exact reading like some days back. It's called A Traumatized Mind Cannot Think in a Healthy Way or something. It's a survival mechanism read. I'll put that in the description box if you would like to see that read, or if you would like to check that out. But yeah, someone's survival mechanism made them eat up a secret, or sort of, yeah, because Two of Pentacles upright often talks about somebody who is showing their skills. Two of Pentacles in reverse is like somebody's scared of showing their skills because they're scared of coming out of their comfort zone, because they're scared of crossing the line, or what if somebody comes to kill them again, somebody tries to hurt them again. So there is something like this person has been through a lot maybe, and that's why they are living in a survival mechanism state, and now because of that survival mechanism state that they are in, they are keeping a secret that is eating them up on the inside, and somehow that is causing other problems, especially maybe in their workplace. Like they're scared that they will end up in a fight with this emperor. Though on the cards I do feel like the emperor is friends. The emperor isn't friends with this Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So and also with the Queen of Pentacles, even if she's reverse, she's a very respected queen. So when she's in reverse, people do think that she is the Queen of Pentacles. So this emperor and this group of people, these friends, they have a really good impression of this person. But this person is scared of the fact that the emperor will start fighting with them if the emperor got to know something, or emperor understood there is something that is being kept as a secret in here. Whatever that secret is, that secret is eating up somebody on the inside. It's like if they end up speaking about the secret, there's something like somebody doesn't want to show their skills, or they don't want to show their hand, because I don't know, what if something might end up happening. Like they're scared of showing their skills because they're scared of going out of their comfort zone, or they're scared of, I'm getting shit scared of showing their, I was also getting sex scandal, puritanism, right? So there's something like maybe somebody's not gonna understand. Maybe somebody's going to turn something into a sex scandal, or somebody's going to turn something into some sort of scandalous thing. Not a sex scandal, like a scandalous thing, if they told this emperor about it. Why is this secret weighing on this person, Spirit? Okay. 3 of Swords in upright. I thought that I would get the Moon in reverse again, and the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So I don't know. This secret could be weighing on this person because it's related to some sort of grief that they had gone through in some time. Like there was a loss that happened, and that loss kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of getting like it might have like shook them in a subconscious way, or whatever this loss was, it kind of made them fear something. Yeah, it's kind of like letting your inner demons, it's kind of like, Moon in reverse often talks about letting our inner demons win, right? In the original Rider-Waite-Smith deck, the Moon card has 2 dogs in there. So when the dog barking becomes so fucking loud, you're not able, it kind of just, instead of it, and if you don't understand that this is also part of the nature, right? You end up taking that dog barking as, you end up start thinking that dog barking is equal to some sort of warning, when in reality it is not. It is just a part of the nature. So there's something like somebody's inner demons are so loud that it makes them think, or it makes them question their own sanity, or it makes them question their independence in some way. I don't know, there's something like it makes them question their ability to gain money, their ability to stand on their own feet, because there is some sort of loss that happened before that made them, that shook their bones or something like that. Okay. This could have been something that could have gone through for a very, very long time. It could have happened for a very, very long time in secret. Maybe this was some sort of, again I'm getting Puritanist cult. So maybe this was some sort of investment that they were holding, or some sort of settlement that they were having with this group of friends, or with these community, or these group of people in secret, in private. maybe they had a fear of losing these investments with these people, with these friends, or with these community people. And I don't see there's anything wrong with them. I just feel like maybe they're a little bit conservative. That's it. That's the only thing that I'm getting about them. What is this secret? What kind of secret is this? Can we know something about it? Seven of Swords upright, Ace of Swords in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse. Okay. Somebody tried to do something. They stole something. Though I'll say that Seven of Swords in reverse is more on the energies of somebody stole something, or they were caught stealing something. But this is like somebody tried to play slick in some way. Okay, they tried to, like, I don't know, do something different, do something else. But it's like the Ace of Wands and the Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, like, I almost felt like the sword was broken for a moment, but it's almost like, yeah, I almost feel like, I don't know why, but it's a very weird thing that is coming out with the Page of Cups in reverse as well, right? Somebody thought that something was the truth, but it wasn't really the truth, if you get what I mean. Like, somebody thought that something or somebody or something was true, or something was the right thing to do, because they had the reasons for it. But the thing is, all those reasons with which they did something was all in their head. Like, they made up those reasons in their head to do this. You get the point? It's kind of like somebody stole something. Okay, they stole something, but they thought that they were doing the right thing, because the Page of Cups is in reverse. So it's like they thought that they were doing the right thing, but it's like they were being delusional for the whole damn time. They were just being delusional about doing the right stuff or doing the right thing. My damn god, we have the Page of Cups in reverse and the Knight of Cups in reverse coming together. Like I just pulled another card and it was a Knight of Cups in reverse. So, like, yeah, this is super delusional. Like, this is somebody who, they just made up a freaking reason in their mind to do something sneaky. They got hurt because they did something sneaky. They did have the reason to do the sneaky thing, but the thing is, that sneaky reason that they had, like whatever reasoning that they gave to themselves, was not a real reason, but it was a delusional reason. So somebody could be like mentally ill. Schizophrenia could be significant. I don't know. If there is anything like that, please go to a therapist. But yeah, that is what kind of like caught someone in the, I don't know why I want to say beluga, but beluga is, I don't want to say, do you know the Beluga Triangle, or is it the Bermuda Triangle? I don't know what it is, but it's kind of like that's the Bermuda Triangle in here. Like, this person, I don't know why I want to show you the Three of Swords in here, and I just want to show the Three of Swords, and I just want to go say the Bermuda Triangle is here. Like, that's what it appears like. Okay, like something is, like the ship is sinking. Like, how do I say this? Somebody, yeah, it's almost like going into the Bermuda Triangle, right? Somebody thought that this place was legit. Somebody thought that this area was a legit area, or whatever they were doing was not a sneaky thing, instead of far more smarter thing. Maybe they thought that they weren't being sneaky at all, because they were doing it with the right cause in the mind. They thought that they were doing it with the right cause in mind, so it wasn't a sneaky thing to do. They got hurt. They suffered from a loss by doing that sneaky thing, but it's like they were under the impression that, like, and now they have a fear of the, it's, how do I say this? It's like somebody like stole a boat to go into the Bermuda, to cross the ocean, but they didn't know that there was a Bermuda Triangle in between the ocean, and then the Bermuda Triangle kind of like swayed them left and right. They saw the storms and they lost everything in their life because they kind of believed in a stupid reasoning in their head. And now it's kind of like they have a fear now that they are alive, and now that they are doing well in life. They are scared that their independence or their money, or they don't have the capacity to be stable or to think on their own 2 feet, because the Bermuda Triangle kind of just came in between and just kind of did the job. In this case, this could be this person's delusional thinking that kind of made them think that whatever they did was not sneaky shit, but I think I don't know what it is. It's kind of like it's not even about steal. It's kind of like they kind of felt like I'm stealing the boat to go to cross the ocean because I want to like bring back the shipwreck, or I want to bring back the ship that is stranded in between the sea. But this person doesn't know that if you go through the sea, there is a Bermuda Triangle in between. The ship is already gone down. There is no ship in there. There is nobody that you need to go out and save in there, because like this person stole that boat. For example, there is like a ship, a ship went in a certain way and it got lost, all right. Now people who know that ship got lost in the Bermuda Triangle, so they are not bringing out boats to go out there. But this person, they stole a boat to save their family member, maybe somebody who was in the ship, who drowned in the ship, or the ship is missing. So they took the ship, and they also took the same route that this person, the deceased person, took, right? And then they go towards the route that the deceased person took, and they just kind of realize that like they did not know that route that, like, this person is a stupid person. They don't know anything about the Bermuda Triangle. The people who are owning the ships know that there is a Bermuda Triangle in front of them, so they are not going there. They are not even sending ships. This person got frustrated with the fact that nobody is sending out ships, so they stole the ship and they went out towards the sea. And then all of a sudden they don't know that the Bermuda Triangle is there, but they suffer the fucking freaking loss of they suffer the fucking storms in the Bermuda Sea, in the Bermuda Triangle. And that kind of just I don't know, just sets in a fear inside them from doing anything on their own. So you get the point that I'm trying to make, right? Like, they thought they were doing something, they were finally doing something independent on their own, because they were trying to go and save their family. Their family is in the shipwreck, and the shipwreck has gone down in the fucking Bermuda Triangle. But this person doesn't know that there is a Bermuda Triangle. All they know is that their family got lost in the sea, and finally they are doing something for the family because the authorities are not working. So they take the ship to the freaking... It's kind of like... It's, for example, the authorities are not filing an FIR complaint against a rich person, for example. This person doesn't care if this is a rich person or a big politician figure. They are like, you know what, if the police is not going to do this, I'm going to do the right thing, and I'm going to do it. But it's kind of like, they kind of like, just to put, because they know that the politician is a bad person. But to push the politician down, or to bring that politician down, they make a fake story, or they make a fake ass report to sort of sue the politician. They do a little, there is something like that in here. This person tried to act smart, or they tried to like act slick in here, where it's like they tried to like pull this politician down, but with fake facts. It's kind of like, I'm already doing it against the wrong person. So if I'm doing it against the wrong person, why do I have to bring the right news? I'll just bring in the wrong news. I'll slick in the wrong news in here, and I'll try to pull this person down. So this person made up false facts about this very bad politician or corrupt politician, and they went to the High Court or the Supreme Court to like sue them. And then they started suffering, and then they understood that, okay, going against this politician is like my family, my life, my wife, everybody just going under the fucking bus and the train. And I don't know, this person kind of deceived themselves into thinking that whatever wrong thing that they did or whatever fake ass report that they made was them doing something on their own. Now what has happened is that the entire loss that they suffered sort of made them fear for their life. Because first of all, this person did not take the decision knowingly. Like they did not know what was. I don't know. There's something like either they did not know or they kind of deluded themselves. Because the Ace of Swords came here with the Page of Cups in reverse. So this person kind of deluded themselves into thinking that they know the truth, or there's something like that in here. Or maybe they took a fake ass report thinking that they were saying the truth. Like, yeah, it's kind of like somebody made an allegations against someone. Like suppose they made a fake allegation, like any fake allegation, okay, and this person who is the right person, who is the good person, they took the report, they tried to sue this politician, this, like, it's almost like, yeah, like there is this corrupt politician, okay, everybody hates him, but now there is this person or this person in between who is doing allegations against this, I don't know why I'm getting Page of Swords, yeah, exactly, who is doing allegations against this corrupt politician, but the reasoning, but it's like the allegations are false. You get the point? Like a good officer, a good person got stuck in between all of this because the allegations were a lie, or the information that was given wasn't correct information, and then that officer or that whoever that person was that who did the lawsuit against the politicians based on these false allegations, he's the one who ended up bearing the loss. Now for this officer, they thought that they had the capability to make something, they had the capability to do something right. But the thing is, if you thought that you had the capability to do something right, why didn't you research the allegations that this person made on this politician? Something like that. Yeah, something fucked up. Do you get the point? I'm like, I explained you with two examples, okay, one with the Bermuda Triangle, one with this. Yeah, that's what's coming through in here. What's this? What's that Page of Cups energy? That's fucked up. I mean, that's thoroughly effed up, I don't know. What the hell? Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. I don't know why I want to say the Page of Pentacles upright. I wanted to say that when I saw the Two of Swords. Somebody started their career off, or they made money out of two people fighting with each other, or they made a name or fame by making two people fight with each other. Do you get the point? It's like there is this person who is fighting for the right thing. There is this other person who is... I'm also feeling like maybe this other person is also fighting for the right thing. Like both of these individuals are fighting for the right thing. Somebody started their career, or somebody started... Like they made their money off of these two people fighting. It's kind of like a journalist center... Like it's kind of like these two righteous people started fighting with each other, or these two people are fighting with each other. One is thinking that this person is one did not yeah, there is something like associate themselves with the right person, or they did not check the details that this person, that the victim was giving to the officer, and the politician on whom these allegations were on, they know the fact that these allegations are wrong or these allegations are false. You get the point? And then all of a sudden, that victim comes out of nowhere and is the journalist of that entire court battle. So, like, somebody made money. That's what I'm getting. Somebody made money out of making two people fight with each other. Do you get the point? Do you get the effing point? Yeah, that's sort of what I'm getting in here. I'm getting Sawyer. Somebody's name could be Sawyer. Their initials could be Sawyer. Tom Sawyer could be. Lawyer could be significant. Somebody's lawyer couldn't have seen, like, there is something like somebody's defense attorney or someone's lawyer wasn't seeing the truth about a place, or they weren't seeing through the lies. Yeah, they didn't see this coming. They didn't see this person. Like, it's like this victim, there's something like, there's also something like this victim is the judge. So, I don't know, like, maybe there was I don't know, there's something like, now I'm getting like movie plot line kind of thingy in here. Like, I think that is the laws that someone had in here. Like, it's almost like a senior official tried to like hire a false victim or a fake victim to this very righteous officer who believed in the words of the victim but did not try to investigate on the allegations that this victim was making. And now they took this politician or this very big person to the court to fight them based on the allegations which were false. They didn't check these allegations. But later on they found out that the victim was the judge of the court, or the victim was the victim was working with the judge and the senior official, and the politician who was involved was just a puppet that was used as an excuse to cut off this righteous officer from the path. Do you get the point? Like, it's like the victim is the judge, or the victim is the person who somebody was played on, man. That's what I'm kind of getting. Because I don't know, I don't make elaborate storylines like these. Like, this is something else, okay? Yes, honey. Someone is not getting a promotion in their office or in their job. I don't know. There's something like, yeah, they weren't the only one who got they weren't the only one who didn't get a promotion. There's someone else in here as well. Yeah, now I'm getting the Page of Pentacles. So it's almost like the righteous officer, that righteous officer didn't get a promotion, but now this victim, this person who was acting as a false victim, who created this false narrative around this politician, even they are not getting a promotion. Though I feel like they escaped a major tower movement, or they escaped some sort of near death situation. There's something like, whoever this fucking demon was, or whoever this dumbass politician was, they, after doing this, they next came after this victim. but they survived the death of something. Yeah, because they protected themselves. I don't know, I'm also getting surrogate. So someone could have been a surrogate mother. But yeah, I'm getting this victim. This victim has been done getting her justice in her own way. So you don't need to have a problem with her or with that. This is something very significant. I actually did a reading just one day before, like some days back. It's called the Three of Swords. Like there is a Three of Swords card in the thumbnail. You can check that one out. I have like this has been a long time since I last did a very like investigative reading stuff like that in here, but yeah. Okay, so I feel like this is major. Like somebody put this righteous officer in the wrong place. Okay, somebody put this righteous officer under the like they were the reason why somebody couldn't get promoted, because they were hired by because they told the false allegation, and then later on they, I don't know, they kind of like, I don't know, there's something like they were with the judge of the court, and the court like kind of used this entire situation as a way to put this righteous officer, demote this private investigator or this righteous officer. They demoted this private officer or private investigator or righteous person because of this individual who was the one who hired or who acted as the victim in front of this private officer, private investigator, or do you get the fucking I don't know, I'm getting the word inquest. You know what inquest is, don't ask. This is getting fucking murky, bruh. Yeah. Something is. They were resting the whole damn time this fight was going on, the whole damn time this brawl was going on. They might have. There is something like, yeah, they. What is this unnecessary shit? This person could have been somebody's lover. They led their lover in the wrong direction. Whatever this is. Now, this individual who was acting as a false victim on false allegations, now they are the. I feel like it's not the righteous officer. I feel like it's the person who's acting as a false victim. Yeah, I think they are the ones who are going through a survival mode or something like that, because they themselves, there was something delusional about this person. Okay, I do not know. I don't. Like they were resting the whole damn time. They knew that this fight was unfair, but they were resting the whole damn time this fight was happening. They didn't give a damn. Then this person could have been somebody's lover. They could have been the lover of this righteous officer or whoever this one was, and they kind of led this boyfriend on to like fight with these people. They kind of feel undeserving of something because yeah, I think that's a secret that this person doesn't let on, or they don't tell that secret out loud. Or I don't know, there's something like the baby could be a, oh my god, is there a child involved in here? Ooh, I asked if there's a child involved in here and I see the Seven of Pentacles. Pregnancy could be significant, I don't know. The fuck is this? The fuck is this? What? Somebody would be hiding the fact that they were pregnant, or maybe they did all of this because there's something pregnancy is a significant stuff in here. What? This secret is what is killing this person together with this other person, okay? This secret is this is someone really right, okay? This is someone nice. They took this nice person and just, what? Dude, why am I reading weird shit in this reading? Am I going crazy? Like, we are above 1 hour, okay? That is like 1 okay? When I read the clock right now, it's 1 1 hour 11 minutes 11 seconds. What do you mean? Somebody took this person down with themselves. I don't know why am I getting pregnancy, man. Was this person pregnant with someone else's child? I don't know what it is. They could have been. I don't know, what is this? What is this pregnancy? Can I get something on this pregnancy right here? This is the most brother, ooh, what is this? Brother, ooh. Oh Lord, 10 of Cups. They had a family with this person. They had a family with whoever this. Yeah, they had a family with this person, and the 10 of Swords in the back. 10 of Cups came out and 10 of Swords in the back. They had a family with this, whoever this right person was, whoever this nice person was. Maybe they had I don't know why I'm kind of getting like, maybe this person was pregnant with this politician's kid, or maybe they were having an affair with this politician, but I don't know. They kind of like, I don't know, there's some sort of, maybe there was a harassment case. I don't know. Okay, I'm getting that is not the case. Maybe this person was not pregnant with someone else's child, like the way I'm supposing in my head. But I am getting that this person had a baby with this King of Swords or whatever this was. King of Pentacles is coming out, which is again the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So this Queen of Pentacles, whoever this is, they had there was something like they had an ideology with this person. They had a band, they had a child, they had something, they brought something together. Maybe they had a kid, or maybe they had a business, maybe there was an entrepreneurship. They brought it together with this person right here, who's also feeling like a King of Pentacles in here. So like with their own husband, and maybe this person was somebody's wife and they told false allegations or fake lies to lead on their husband, and their husband took a case against whoever this politician was and like struck their nerve, and there's like got demoted or stuff like that. Yeah, there's something like this person did not want to leave this. Why am I getting like this person did not want to leave but they left? It's like they did not want to lie to this person, but they had to lie. Excuse me? So was this Queen of Pentacles forced to do this? Oh, Oh my fucking god. Damn. Damn. The Magician in reverse, the Ace of Swords upright, the Two of Cups in reverse. Yeah, I feel like this person was forced into lying, or they were forced to give a false allegation or fake, or they were forced to become a victim. Maybe something was online, maybe their child was online, maybe their entrepreneurship was online, maybe something that they created was online or was at stake. So this person lied, and they put this lover, or they put this husband, or if this is a righteous officer that they are working platonically. Yes, I feel like this person was forced to do that, though. They were forced to communicate this, to cut off this relationship, to forgo this relationship. The Fool in reverse. That is how this person made a new start in life. Alright. That is what their new start is. Their new start was breaking off this relationship. Though it definitely seems like it was forced. Like they were forced into like saying this shit, but it's like their new start. The reason why they're so unprepared for their new start was because their new start started off by breaking off someone's relationship or their own relationship with their person. Okay? Bro, what in the deep dive shit are we? Like, where? I was like, I'm gonna do a reading. I was not gonna be like, what is this complex saga, bro? Dude, you can write like a fucking Netflix movie out of this shit. What the fuck is this? This is the most crazy thing I've ever seen in a tarot reading. Lord, I have totally shifted over my energies. Okay, I don't know what this is. This is way more than what I was expecting. I'm not smiling in the sense of like I'm enjoying this. It's more like, what the fuck did I just do? I've never done a reading like, oh my freaking god, this is crazy. What are your thoughts about it? I don't know. Are you watching this reading? I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one who's experiencing this reading as of now. Damn, I just cut the deck in half and I see the Five of Cups in here. Somebody is regretting that they had to let go of their person, or they're regretting whatever they did to this relationship or to their own relationship because they were forced into doing something. There's something like they made a good start. They made a new start in life. I'm also feeling they made a good start. Yeah, Queen of Wands in reverse. It's like, I don't know, there's something like somebody's the Queen of Wands and Knight of Cups in reverse. So like someone's, yeah, I feel like whatever this fight or whatever this conflict was, right? I feel like whatever conflict was that they themselves caused, it killed them. It kind of just, it sort of like blew their confidence over, turned it into a negative mindset. Knight of Cups in reverse, kind of like, yeah, man, just fucked over their relationships, their lovers. They can't seem to, there is so much negativity in here. They can't seem to receive or want to receive any proposals or any offers anymore because it just hurt them so much. All because of this conflict, all because of this negativity or this conflict right here. Damn, this is so much. Like, look at my freaking board. I'm just gonna show it to you. Can you see it? Can you see the amount? Wait. Is it visible? Wait. Can you see all of this? This is like the amount of cards that just came out, okay? Yeah, that's the amount of it's a soap opera. I don't know what this is. This is too much. I've never seen something so like this. Damn, dude. Do you really need an advice for this one? That's just. It definitely seems like somebody was forced into saying these things. That's for sure. They were forced to communicate this shit. Or maybe the truth was forced out. I don't know what this is. The truth was forced out, and then this person's relationship broke off, or it was figured out that this person was the reason why everybody was fighting. But that's how they started something new in their life. I don't know what this is. There's something like this in here. Someone was forced into saying something, or they were forced into communicating something or doing something shit. What is this forceful energy? What is this forceful energy right here? Oh, yeah, Six of Wands upright. Yeah, scary. But I feel like you guys won, or maybe this righteous officer won. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I think the winners, or the people who. Yeah, I think this was something like somebody forced out a truth out of someone. That's what it's giving me. Like they forced this person to say the truth. That's when this person opened up. And that's when they said that all of this was a delusion, or all of this was out of like imagination. What is this Two of Cups in reverse then? Oh, damn Lord. Two of Cups in reverse is the opportunity. I don't know, like breaking off this relationship was the opportunity. It allowed this person to walk away from this relationship. What? Six of Cups in reverse. What in the trauma bonding? What is happening? Is this? What is this? Page of Pentacles coming again. Was there no other way that this person could have broken out of this marriage or this relationship? Yeah, something is like an arranged marriage kind of thingy. This person didn't have any love for this person. This person didn't have any love. They were like arranged for like legal or business reasons. The King of Wands upright in the back, like. Oh, wait, let me like pull this off, bruv. Okay, sorry. Yeah. King of Wands. Eight of. Yeah. Somebody was way too soon for this shit. They were way too. Like, they went for. I don't know if this is a relationship, business partnership, whatever this is. Somebody did not have a heart in doing whatever this was. They did not. So, what sort of skewed up relationship mindset is this? Yeah. I feel like this King of Wands in here like feels like this is a very desirable person, or this person, whoever this righteous officer was, whoever they were, they had a lot of desirable things about them. So people would go after them right away. Six of Pentacles in reverse. But it's like, yeah, like that's what I'm getting. Like, this family or these people gave away their daughter or their, I don't know, maybe this business, I don't know, there is something like it was purely for business reasons, and because this person had this attractive portfolio or whatever, everybody went behind it. There was an exchange that was made, but there's something like, I don't know, there was something that was like this person, there is something like whoever this is, right, that lied and gave the false allegations and all of that stuff, maybe they lost their independence, or there is something like they had to open their job, like I'm getting open their job, but like there is something like they had to leave their job, or they had to leave their independence for whatever this is, whatever this relationship or this marriage is, arranged marriages. I think this was something that happened to this individual in the past, or this person who was falsely, who became a false victim, right? That is their past. They had to lose their independence. They had to give way more than they received back. And this is the reason why this person feels so sad, or they feel like they cannot do something anymore. This is the reason why this person doesn't get any favor in their workplace or in their job. Yeah, this is the reason why this person doesn't get any favor in their job, because they tried to lie once or twice. I don't know, I'm also getting circumcised, I don't know. But yeah, this is the reason why this person doesn't get any offers. They don't get any job, because I'm also getting like, yeah, like people lie on to this person so that, or they keep the business, or they try to keep it hidden. Like they try to keep the offers hidden. They don't try to give offers. Like, suppose this person is eligible to go to a certain position or a place in life, right? People don't say that this person is eligible, or they hide the fact that this person is eligible to go to the next level, because it's like it's not like it can threaten the name of this reputable person or whoever it is that is now getting justice, but it's like, yeah, it's kind of like, that's what I'm getting. It's a like somebody's reputation is so bad that people are hiding job, even if they are legitimately eligible to go somewhere. People are hiding that job offer from them. They don't have the courage or the confidence in them to fight back for their rights or for their promotion, because, and people are scared of doing that because they just saw how good this other person was, how righteous this other person was. They don't want to taint the reputation of this nice person because of this individual right here who was lying on and was being a false victim. You get the point? Whoever this false victim is, their reputation has gone down so bad that people are refusing to show them any, even if they are eligible for doing something, they are not being shown those offers, or people are not willing to like give them that offer because that's their reputation. Or people don't want to give them that job because whatever reputation they had before was something that they made out of these two, after making this person fight with a corrupt politician. This is the righteous person, right? And now what has happened is that people are seeing that this person was right all along, and now they don't want this person, who even though they are capable, They don't want to promote this person anymore because this person lied. This person rode on the fame of this nice person, made this person fight with someone. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening. And now people don't want don't want to work with such an irreputable person, so they are not promoting this individual because, and also this person themselves is scared for asking for promotion because they themselves don't feel capable enough of it. Yeah, that's the story, guys. Someone was being led on too hard for too long. Temperance is in reverse. Five of Pentacles is in reverse. Ten of Swords is upright. This person doesn't feel like they deserve something good in their life, or there is something. I feel like all the good things are being taken away from this person's life. That's what I'm getting. Yeah. Nine of Wands upright, Four of Hierophant in reverse. Yeah. Because they gave up, because I don't know, they gave up trust, or they gave up to be on the good side. They gave up to stand with the right person, to stand with the right thing, to stand with the official causes. They stood with the wrong person. Maybe it was the judge who told them to do this. Maybe it was the wrong person who advised them to do something, but they did it. Okay, they on this person's advice, they tried to become the false victim. Now that person is gone. Okay, this person and that person is gone, and now this person is sitting in regrets. That's what I'm seeing. The Five of Cups in here. Damn. I don't know. Maybe there's something like this person is. Yeah, there's something like this person could be losing their job. Eight of Pentacles. Can you see the Eight of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah. This person could be losing their job. There is something like this job market, something like that. This Star upright. So like, this could be something about losing their dream job, their dream. Yeah, I'm getting Arirang now. I don't know what that is. Yeah. They're not able to see the good offers that are being presented to them, or they're so disappointed with, like, it's almost like their dream job is being taken away, and now it's like they're so disappointed with every other job offer that comes to them. But they played it like that. This is bad, man. This person played it like that, though. I feel like the cards are recognizing the fact that this is unfair because the temperance is in reverse, but somebody's but I feel like if you are the righteous officer or whatever, your reputation is being restored, or people are coming back to you with numerable or multiple offers because they kind of realize that you were the right person all along. So that's why this person, I don't know, there's something like whoever this individual was paired up with, whoever this person was, the right person who took the fight against this corrupt politician and whatever, that person is being like, there is something like, yeah, people owe this person money, or that person is like, this person is being showered with blessings as of now. So there's something like when it is my time to shine, you you wouldn't be celebrated, or you should go to the sidelines and stay there because it is my time to be celebrated. Do you get the point? When this person will be celebrated, this person is supposed to sit back down and not say something. Because when this person was fighting, this person was acting like the journalist, just trying to profit off of this person fighting over with another person. So now when this person is shining, whoever this person was who was acting like a false victim and everything else, they need to keep their head down, or there is something like, even I feel like even if they get a job opportunity, people are going to be criticizing left and right. That's what I'm getting. Or anybody who associates themselves with this false victim is gonna be criticized left and right. So people are like jumping away from this person and trying not to give this person any offers, because it might end up in them getting crucified, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, that's the judgment. I don't know why I want to say, okay, righteous fastidious queen, you made it out here. But if you are the righteous fastidious queen who made it out of this, congratulations. This is the POV of the person who did you wrong, or kind of gave you the false allegations and led you on in some way. This is too much. But yeah, you can check out, I have another reading called the Three of Swords reading. Like, they are coming back with a dirty apology. You should watch that reading maybe. In that reading, I was like talking about how somebody was a fuck boy or a fuck girl and was leading other people on, but then later on a demon, they attached themselves, a demon started coming behind them, or there was like a very disgusting person who started like, just like this story, like the leading other people on, till all of a sudden the monster jumps in. Yeah, till the monster comes to your own house, because you ended up leading the monster on as well. So now the monster is going to come to your house, so something like that could be significant. But I'll put those two readings in the description box. Whatever this is, I don't take a shilling of this energy, my lord. Like, if this is your energy, please, especially if you are the person who is acting as a false victim or whatever, sorry, you could be in a very big mess right now, and you know what, I don't take that energy to yourself, my love. This is too much to read. This is too much.